In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can set Spotify song as your phone alarm on Samsung. You can simply enable any song on Spotify as your phone alarm in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your clock app. In the section of alarm, tap on this plus icon right here. Let's set this time as our alarm. Then you will tap right here on alarm sound. Select the second option of Spotify. As it loads, make sure to hit that subscribe button as it much helps for the channel growth. Choose any song and it will get added as your phone alarm. If you can't find your specific song, tap onto the search bar and search for it. You will then just tap into it and it will automatically get added as your phone alarm. That's how easy it is to set Spotify song as your alarm. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.